So how do you insert a picture in Microsoft Word document on your laptop or on your PC? Step 1, just click roughly the place where you want to insert a picture. You don't have to be precise. You can later on change the position of the picture. I want to insert my picture right after my heading in this document. So I've placed my cursor here, and then I will go to the insert, and here I would see an option of picture, which in the callout it is saying that insert a picture. And when I will click that, you will get 3 options. You can browse or insert the picture from your device, meaning by your laptop. You can search for the stock images, or you can insert a picture from online. But in this tutorial we will be inserting a picture from our device, so I'm going to click this device. So you need to browse for the picture which you want to insert. I have selected my picture, and now I'm going to click the insert. So the picture will be inserted, but as you can see that this picture has gone to the next page, as the size of my picture was larger than the space that was available within the page number 1. So no problem, we need to just resize our picture. Just click on any corner of the picture and start to reduce the size. As you can see that I have done it, and now my picture has automatically moved on to a place where I placed the cursor. Now if I want to move this picture right or left, as you can see that it is not happening. So in order to move your picture here and there, you need to click on this layout option, and from here you need to click any of these options, and after that your picture will go wherever you will drag the picture, whether towards the right or left hand side of your document. You can format the picture, as you can add the border to your picture and all the other things. Once you will click this picture, you will see this picture format tab, and these all options are actually for the picture that you have inserted. You can crop it, you can bring it forward or backward, you can wrap the text, you can change the position, similarly add the border, you can add the effects, and you can remove the background, you can apply the corrections, and you can also change the color of your picture. But since this tutorial was only how to insert a picture in Microsoft Word, so I'm just going to end it here. For more tutorials on Microsoft Word, you can check out the playlist which is displayed at the end screen card right now. If you have found some value in this video, do give it a like.